Viewers, welcome to the channel Eva Master. So today I got a wonderful question. So the question is, brother, please explain me about money manifestation. Okay. So recently this topic has gained a lot of attention. So let us see what is money manifestation. Okay. When you manifest money in the right way, so that leads to wealth creation. So let us see how can you manifest. See, there are some important rules which you have to keep in your mind while dealing with money. One thing, never ever give your money in this way. You should always, okay, let us see an example, okay? Now, this is a 50 rupee note. So when you offer this note to someone, you will have to give it in this because you are paying respect to the money, and you should never give it in scissor form. Why? Because that is considered to be an disrespect. Okay. Second thing, never curse money. Okay. I have seen many people, they always keep cursing money. So that should not be done. You should always speak positive about money, even though you're poor or you're poverty stricken. You should always speak good about money. That is the second rule. Third rule, manifest what do you want. Okay. Suppose if you want to become a lacquer, okay, manifest every day when you wake up and before you sleep, and imagine yourself the lifestyle you will have when you reach this goal. Okay, this is called reverse psychology. What we do is reverse psychology. You will live the life as if you have attained your dreams and goals, and then that positive energy will try to get into real life. Okay, so imagine yourself as a lacquer, or if you have any goal related with property. Okay, imagine you are living in your own house. So manifest positively and imagine yourself in a situation in which you want to be or you aim to be, and never ever compare yourself with anyone else because everyone is in their own journey, and you have your own speed and you have your own stops and destinations. So do not compare yourself with others. So this is very important tip. And third thing, manifest before you sleep. Okay, and there are many manifestation methods, and the one which I believe in is, say to your subconscious mind what is your goal before your sleep. So what happens, the subconscious mind hears this and will try to figure out different ways to prove this and make it your reality. So when you sleep, manifest what do you want, and then write down the things which you want to, you know, make in your life. If you want property, write down about your property, write about the money. And some people also use the manifestation check or the dream check. So what you do, take a checkbook and then write your name and the amount you desire. So, but you have to do it with full faith to be manifesting. Now, reward yourself with the check of your desired amount and daily see it, and you imagine yourself that you have got the real money, and then slowly you can see that there are many energies in this world who will help you to attain this, your dream or your ambition. So these are some of the techniques which I suggest you to follow. So for more suggestions and more questions, if you have any questions also, you can ping me on your comment section, and then I will try to make a video on it. Okay, thank you. Namaste.